So I have already created my layer with the white background. Select the text tool. The foreground is black, and now left click and now type your text. Control A to select all the text. And now double click here. I'm going to change the font to impact regular, this one here. And now I'm going to make it italic by left clicking here. Select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image, and now align it horizontally and then vertically. And now create a new layer. Click on this icon. Fill it to transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to create a layer group. Click on this icon. I'm going to move these two layers here inside the layer group. So I'm going to move my speed text. First, I'm just going to drag it to the layer group. So here it is inside. And now I'm going to move my transparent layer in the layer group. So here it is. Make sure it is on top of the text. So if I left click here on the arrow, so here it is. And now select the transparent layer on top of the text. Select the gradient tool. The foreground is black and the background is white. Make sure the gradient is FG to BG RGB and the shape is linear. And now hold the control key and then trace with the gradient to trace in a straight line. So now I'm going to trace it here and now press enter. And now go to filters, distort, and then select engrave. I'm going to increase the height to 16. Make sure to uncheck the limit the line width, and now press OK. And now right click on the gradient layer, this one here with the layer effect with the FX here. Right click on it, go to composite mode and then select clip to backdrop. So as you can see, the layer is clipped according to the text to the layer under it. And now, for example, I'm going to select the gradient tool, and now I can adjust the gradient here on this layer here, the gradient layer with the FX. Trace your gradient, hold the control key, and now you can adjust the gradient. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press enter. And now here, since we have a text layer, if I select the text tool, select the text layer, double click on the text, and now I can type my text. Select all text, Control A. Or for example, let's type Gimp. You can also change the size. Of course, the effect will change because of the top layer here is clipped to the text. You will need to change, for example, either the size of the layer or the filter. So now I'm going to double click and now I'm going to type speed, Control A. I'm going to type 500 for the size.